How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 68 Barracuda fastback. It's got a Hemi in it with a cross ram. Wicked car. Motor made just over 600 horse. Tough car. This car's been in a private collection for about 15 years. The bumpers have been re-chromed on the car. The grills are the originals. See, the car's super slick, straight down the sides. Got that tough Hemi Hood scoop on it. Super slick Tuxedo Black paint on the car. I tell you, these fastback Barracudas are just tough cars. Hard to come by. Rear bumper looks nice. All the deck lid trim is original. It looks real nice. Taillight bezels and housings are real nice. All the panel fitment on this car is very nice. As you can see, it's got the fold down rear seat in it. Super cool. This car is a blast to drive. It's got disc brakes up front. It's a 500 plus cubic inch Hemi, aluminum heads. It's got your Be Cool aluminum radiator in it. It's got the factory cross ram intake and carbs. The intake's an earlier, the carbs are 68s. It's got the 727 trans. Got the big Hooker Super Comp header. 3-inch exhaust out the back. Just a tough car. See how nice and clean the doors are. Door panels are original, show a little age. And this was a Formula S car. It's got the factory tack in the dash. Dash is all real nice in the car. Headliner looks great. It's got the parchment interior. It's got the fold down rear seat. It's got front and rear seat belts. Got the original center console in it. Super slick car. And this thing will just fry the tires as far as you want to go. Battery's been moved to the rear. Got a nice billet hold down. Yeah, I really like the fold down seat option in these cars. Super cool. It's got your front and rear seat belts. Just tough car, guys. Wicked car. backup lights, everything work in it. Super cool car. This car's ready to take to your shows, cruise it, just enjoy the heck out of it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.